Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we'll do next lesson in English. In your textbook, come to your page number 2 and the name of the lesson is Who's the Greatest? Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest rulers in the world. Emperor means the ruler of an empire. Not just because he had a vast empire. Vast means something which is very big. A very strong army. Untold wealth. Untold wealth means plenty of wealth. But because he was good human being, but he was a good person. He cared for his subject. Subject means people. Cared means to take care of his people. He had great respect for scholars. Scholars means those who are very learned people. Writers, poet, and artists. Artist means who had a love for drawing, painting, pictures, all. Poets means who had the love for writing poems. Two different religion. He was a patron of art and culture. Patron means a lover, to love. He had a love for art for and culture. The nine gems or Navratnas in his court were famous. Many people believe that of these nine gems, Birbal was the closest to emperor's heart. Akbar loved to pose interesting questions or problems in his court. So, what Akbar loved? Akbar loved to put interesting questions. And Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. And who used to give the answer to Akbar's question? It was only Birbal who would give answer to Akbar's question. We do not know whether all the Akbar and Birbal stories that we hear today have any basis in history. So you have heard plenty of story about Akbar and Birbal, and this is also one of the story of Akbar and Birbal. They had been handed down over generation. Generation means what? It was passed down from one generation to another generation, mainly by word of mouth. Here are two of them. So now here we are going to see two stories of Akbar and Birbal. One day, emperor, who's the emperor over here? Akbar is the emperor. Entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. So he had some expression. It was looking some serious expression. As soon as he was seated, he sat. So where he sat on his throne and he asked the question. I have a question for all of you. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache? You know what is a mustache? On top of the lips, you have got something called like a hair. That is called your mustache. And Akbar was having a very big mustache. The court was stunned. Stunned means what? The court was shocked. Stunned means shocked. Pull the emperor's mustache. It was unheard. Now, anyone can pull a king's mustache? No, nobody can pull the king's mustache because he is a king. Flog him. Flog means what? To hit. Flog him. Give him 50 lashes of the whip. Exclaimed one nobleman. So, one person from Akbar's court told him to hit that person, whoever said it. That's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another. Another man told him, put that person in jail and give him no water, no food. whip him, beat him, hang him, put, cut off his offending hands. The agitated courtiers began to cry out. Offending hands. Offending means what? A person who committed a crime, a person who committed a bad action is called offending. Agitated courtiers. Agitated means what? Angry. Began to cry out. Began to cry out means what? They began to shout. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. But who was clever? Birbal was clever. He was sitting silently. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? Who told him this? Akbar asked him. What is your opinion? In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeat. So he said he should be given a favorite sweet. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweetmeats for such a grave offense? The courtiers began to say. Birbal smiled and offered an explanation, but Birbal had the answer. He answered the question. Yes, who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's mustache? Only his own grandson. You know what you mean by grandson, okay? When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing because that is exactly what had happened in this morning. So, what happened in the morning? It happened that Akbar's grandson had pulled Akbar's mustache. On another occasion, Akbar was relaxing. Relaxing means what? Taking some rest with some of his courtiers. A few of them thought this was a good opportunity. Opportunity means what? To take some chance to shower praise on emperor and get some favors from him. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. Compete means what? Trying to win. You are the greatest of the kings. So some of the courtiers told Akbar, you are the greatest king. You are the greatest of the kings or emperors that ever lived on earth. You are the greatest of all the people in heaven or earth. You are you are as great as God Almighty. Almighty means what? Having the power to do anything. You are greater than the God Almighty. Now Akbar was no fool. He did not care for false praise. Who gave him the false praise? All the courtiers in his court were giving him false praise. He stopped the courtiers and asked, do you all believe so? Yes, they answered in one voice. All right, then prove it to me. Tell me at least one thing that I can do, but God Almighty will not be able to do. So, what Akbar told his courtiers, okay, I am the greatest, you prove and show it to me that I am the greatest. Otherwise, you will all incur to our royal displeasure. You will have till tomorrow morning to prove it. So, what Akbar said, by tomorrow morning, you have to prove and show that I am the greatest king, I am the God Almighty. Akbar then left the place without another look at the courtiers. They were in a proper fix. They thought and thought, but couldn't think of any such thing. In the end, they went to Birbal. When Birbal heard their story, he told them not to worry. So all the courtiers they went to Birbal and they told him, "Ki help us." Birbal say, "Don't worry. Tomorrow morning I will give you my answer." The next morning, the court was full. So all courtiers, Birbal, Akbar, they came and they sat in the court. Everyone was curious to see what would happen next. Curious means what? Everybody wanted to know what is the answer. Well, said the emperor, have you found a good answer to my question? Or are you ready to leave the court forever? Just then, Birbal stepped forward and bowed low. Bowed means what? To show a sign of respect. Bowed low. Please don't be angry with those who think you are the greatest. There's certainly at least one thing that you can do, but the God Almighty cannot. So, what explanation Birbal gave? That you can do many things, but one thing you can't do, what God can do. Akbar looked at Birbal thoughtfully. And what is that one thing? When you want to punish someone, you can banish that person. Banish means what? To take him out. Banish that person. You can throw him out of your kingdom, but God's kingdom extends everywhere. So you can throw any person out of your kingdom, but God's kingdom is very big. The Almighty cannot banish anyone from His kingdom, but nobody can throw anyone out from God's kingdom. Akbar's face was lit up with a smile. That was very clever, Birbal. While showing how I have an advantage, you have also shown God is greater. I believe you. So, what? He had proved that God is greater than anyone. Akbar was so pleased with the answer that he forgave the courtiers for their stupidity. Stupidity means what? Foolishness. For their foolish answers, they were left. So, hope so, students, you have understood the lesson. Okay. Now, just see, students, there are some meanings of the words now. Okay. First word, patron of art and culture means a person who appreciates, supports, and encourages art and culture. Flog, beat someone hard, especially with a whip. Whip means what? It's a leather belt or something like a leather belt to hit somebody. Agitated, disturbed. Incur or displeasure, make me angry, to make someone angry. In a proper fix, in a tight corner, or in a difficult situation. Okay, students, practice worksheet I will send on WhatsApp. So try to find your answers. If you're able to find all answer, it is good. But still, if you're not able to find, don't worry. We will solve the answers in the next class. Thank you, students.